busy streets we roam, through the laughter every day. Friends will always lead us home, no matter where we stray. AMBTV shining bright, guided by friendship's light. Through every challenge, side by side, with joyful hearts, we will rise. Now the city sings with cheer, stories come alive. Every smile will conquer fear, our hopes will always thrive. AMBTV shining bright, guided by friendship's light. Through every challenge, side by side, with joyful hearts, we will rise.
Magandang araw, explorers! Ngayon, matututo tayo tungkol sa iba't ibang hayop, halaman, at kung paano natin mapangangalagaan ang kalikasan.
Excited na ako! Sana walang hayop na manghabol sa atin!
Kapag hindi mo sila ginulo, hindi ka nila guguluhin.
Animals may look entertaining, but they are living creatures with their own instincts and boundaries.
At kapag may gumawa ng kalokohan, ako ang bahala.
I heard there are monkeys here. Mateo, you might finally meet your relatives.
Jeremiah, wag mo akong simulan.
This educational trip has not even started, and chaos is already developing.
Hello, explorers. I carry everything Jerwin needs for a safe adventure.
I know the way. To complete today's journey, we must visit the monkey area, the bird sanctuary, and the tiger enclosure.
Explorers, can you say monkey area, bird sanctuary, tiger enclosure?
Ang galing! Tara na!
Ang mga unggoy ay primates. Mayroon silang malalakas na kamay at paa na tumutulong sa pag-akyat sa mga puno.
Explorers, alin ang ginagamit ng unggoy para kumapit sa sanga? Pakpak, palikpik, o kamay at paa? Tama! Kamay at paa!
Look, Mateo! It looks exactly like you.
Hindi ako unggoy.
Mateo, may fan club ka na!
Parrots are intelligent birds. Some of them can imitate sounds and human speech, but they do not always understand every word they repeat.
They also have hard, curved beaks used for cracking open seeds and eating fruit.
What body part helps a bird fly? Its wings, tail, or feet? Correct, its wings. Very good.
Warning! Unauthorized street boy detected.
Swiper alert, swiper alert.
Vito! Ibalik mo ang backpack at map ko!
Vito the swiper strikes again!
Explorers, tulungan ninyo kami. Sabihin natin, Vito no swiping!
Vito no swiping! Vito no swiping!
Swiping.
Vito no
Vito no
swiping!
No swiping.
Oh, man! What?
Vito! Hindi laruan ang gamit ng ibang tao. At lalong hindi ka dapat tumatakbo malapit sa animal enclosures.
Pasensya na. Nadala lang ako sa Explorer parody.
The tigers were behind secure barriers. You were never in direct danger.
But his dignity has suffered severe damage.
Ikaw nga, pinagtawanan ng monkeys.
That information was supposed to remain confidential.
Tigers are carnivorous mammals. They have sharp teeth, strong muscles, and striped fur that helps them blend into their surroundings.
Explorers, what do we call an animal that mainly eats meat? Herbivore, carnivore, or producer? Correct! Carnivore!
At ano ang tumutulong sa tiger upang magtago sa damuhan at anino? Tama! Ang tawag dyan ay camouflage. Nakakatulong ito sa hayop na maghalo ang itsura nito sa kapaligiran.
Ngayong araw natutuhan natin na ang bawat hayop ay may mahalagang papel sa kalikasan. Hindi natin sila dapat takutin, pakainin ng walang pahintulot, o guluhin para lamang matawa.
We must respect animals and observe them from a safe distance.
At tandaan, ang tunay na explorer ay hindi lang matapang. Siya rin ay responsable, maingat at handang matuto.
Explorers, ano ang paborito ninyong hayop na nakita natin ngayon? Monkey, parrot, o tiger? Napakagandang sagot! Hanggang sa susunod na adventure.
Mateo, perhaps you should stay here with your monkey family.
Jeremiah, tigilan mo na ako.
Jeremiah, welcome to your new monkey kingdom. I am not a monkey.